Okay? So far you have the stem. And then for the leaves, we are going to use real leaves. Okay? And do some rings for the we won't draw them the way we normally do. We are just going to use objects to help us paint, okay?
Yes.
So that's the process we are going to use. For the leaf, let me get some leaf prints as we continue with the part.
Okay.
Okay? Yes? You don't have green? I'll give you green. Alright? So you can start.